Immerse yourself in the art of Brazilian cheesemaking with this extended Queijo Coalho recipe, a traditional cheese known for its delightful texture and flavor. Queijo Coalho, a staple in Brazilian cuisine, is especially popular at barbecues and street fairs. Begin by sourcing high-quality, fresh cow's milk. The quality of the milk is crucial as it directly affects the flavor and texture of the cheese. Gently heat the milk in a large pot, being careful not to boil it. The ideal temperature is around 903°C, warm enough to activate the coagulant. Once the milk reaches the desired temperature, add a coagulant such as liquid rennet. This will cause the milk to curdle, separating into curds and whey. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for about an hour to ensure complete coagulation. After the curds have formed, cut them into small, uniform pieces. This helps in expelling the whey and firming up the curds. Gently cook the curds in the whey, stirring occasionally. This process further firms the curds and contributes to the cheese's final texture. Once the curds have reached the desired firmness, remove them from the whey. Drain any excess liquid and begin the kneading process. Knead the curds until they become smooth and elastic. This step is essential for achieving the characteristic texture of Queijo Coalho. Shape the cheese into traditional rectangles or skewers. The skewer form is particularly popular for grilling. After shaping, brine the cheese in a saltwater solution. The brining process seasons the cheese and helps in its preservation. Queijo Coalho can be enjoyed in various ways. It's delicious and grilled, developing a crispy exterior and a soft, chewy interior. It can also be fried or served as is. The cheese holds its shape well under heat, making it perfect for cooking. Serve your homemade Queijo Coalho as a snack, an appetizer, or as part of a Brazilian barbecue spread. Its unique texture and slightly salty taste make it a versatile and delightful addition to any meal. Enjoy the process of making and savoring your Brazilian Queijo Coalho, a cheese that captures the essence of Brazilian culinary traditions and brings a taste of Brazil's vibrant culture to your table.